guys, Tommy once again, one of the catch can guys here at RX Speedworks, and in this video series, we are answering frequently asked questions. One of those questions is, and this is a big one, how do I install my catch can? Now, obviously, this video could go on for a very long time, but I'm going to make it really simple for you. At the Catch Can guys, we're really only ever going to sell you a catch can that has dual valve, meaning it has two outgoing or two vacuum connections. The reason for that is, on your typical, or the, less expensive catch cans, the $19.99 catch cans you can buy on Amazon. And that's another question for another video. The difference between those cans and something like this McNally Gen 2 or some of the popular UPR products that are out there. How do you connect your catch can? Well, you're going to have an incoming port. You're going to have two outgoing ports. The incoming port is your dirty line, and that's going to come from your PCV, or positive crankcase ventilation valve, that is on all modern engines. And then the other two outgoing ports, these are going to involve a one-way check valve. That's either going to be external in line with the hose, or like on this can, they're going to be built in. And the two vacuum connections are real simple. You're always going to have one behind the throttle body. You're going to have one in front of the throttle body. Behind the throttle body is your idle vacuum. That means you have a strong vacuum signal during idle when the throttle body blade is closed and there's a lot of vacuum created in the intake manifold. Then during acceleration, when that throttle body is open and you lose the vacuum in the intake manifold, something called the Venturi effect, basically the fast-moving air coming in through your intake air assembly from the air box to the intake air bridge into the throttle body, that creates a lot of vacuum during acceleration, so that's your secondary vacuum. So you have vacuum 1 behind the throttle body, vacuum 2 in front of. How you make those connections is up to you and what you think looks cool and looks smart on your vehicle. And that's about it. Thanks for checking us out. We'll see you in another video. I'm Tommy from the Catch Can Guys.